Hi, my name's Brett Evans. I'm from Hidden Valley Estate and we're up here with our PC200 in the heart of the Whitsundays. So Hidden Valley is a rural residential subdivision located between Airlie Beach and Proserpine. We've been planning this estate for the last 20 years with our first stage developed in 2019. We made the decision to form our own construction team so that we could build the stages ourselves, and we purchased the PC200 with the retrofit GPS, which formed part of our fleet. The features of Hidden Valley is it adjoins Conway National Park, which has its own constraints, being the terrain and the vegetation, having one of the oldest fig trees in Australia. It's in our best interest to look after not just a national park, but our estate, and having the PC200, the retrofit GPS kit, enables us to have the confidence and a level of accuracy that we can construct in these areas without requiring a full-time surveyor on site. We are quite remote out here, but from when we fire up the machine in the morning, the system's ready to go. Having the Smart Construction retrofit allows our operators to achieve millimetre accuracy in all parts of our operation, including trimming, positioning and benching. The PC200 is the perfect machine to us to tackle site cuts, drainage, access roads and a wide range of other unique works within our estate. Having the PC200 with the Smart Construction retrofit allows us to run a small crew without having to have string lines, pegs and other survey requirements that can all be done from the machine. The main benefit with this system is time. From the auto tip-off feature when loading trucks, productivity, efficiencies, and in an area where we do have poor service, the connectivity is always great. We've chosen the Komatsu for its reliability, but in the rare instance where we do have issues, we know that we've got the support from our local Komatsu team, and the machine has the ability for the Komatsu team to log in remotely to identify and address any issues that we could have. I know our team can pick up the phone anytime and speak to someone from Komatsu who understands the machine and can help us work through the issues so we're back operating as quickly as we can be. We've had Komatsus for over 20 years. The reliability of the machines and the support we've always had from Komatsu made the decision to purchase the PC200 for this project a no-brainer.